Hi there, Marcus de Maria here, and we have in our office here today, so we're going to use this opportunity to teach you another golden nugget. We have Dennis, who was one of our graduates, but he is now so good at trading and investing after 2.5 years now of trading and investing and getting consistent results. Check out his results. Talk about taking it to another level, that we are now working together, which is great.
Yeah, hi.
Awesome. So, what are we going to talk about, Dennis? Okay, so I'll tell you what we're going to talk about. What we're going to talk about is that one of our clients, what should we call her?
Her real name?
We could do, if she doesn't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah, as long as we don't mention the surname, I guess.
Yeah.
Carola, okay? And she informed us that she made 10 trades, okay? And 7 of those were losses?
7 of those were losses.
7 of those were losses. Now, let me ask you a question. Now, I don't know whether there were 7 losses in a row and then she had gains, but let's just pretend for a moment that you were new and you had a loss using our strategies. Another loss. Another loss. Another loss? Not another loss. Oh, come on, guys. Another loss? Okay, but how many of you at this stage would be doubting our strategies?
I would.
You would?
Absolutely.
Yo, ye of little faith. Same here, right? It's totally human.
Yeah.
You'd be doubting that. But as we tell people on the one-day event, we get people to do this, and then we write it down there, that you can still make money even though you are losing a lot more than you are actually gaining. How is that possible? You're losing a lot more than you gain. See, it's the number of gains might be only 3. The number of losses might be 7. But you do realize, you know what that means, Dennis, don't you?
I do know what that means.
You do know what that means? Think about this. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And then you have 3 gains. 1, 2, 3. Now you do know what that means. That means you have 3 gains, 3 losses. Another 3 losses and more. So you have double the amount, think of it, double the amount of losses, and you can still make money, Dennis?
Yeah, and that is the most amazing part of the strategy at all.
That's right.
And that is the golden nugget as well, the risk management and the ratios. I think the ratio is
it's the ratios, isn't it? It's the risk-reward ratio, because when somebody sees this, they think they're losing 1,000, another 1,000, another 1,000, another 1,000, another 1,000, another 1,000. Oh, you've lost 7,000. 1,000, 1,000. Oh, you've only made 3,000. No. You see, that's what most people out there do. Okay? So, Dennis, take it away and explain what we're talking about here.
I will definitely do
Talk about throwing somebody in at the deep end.
Yeah, exactly. Right. So the thing is, right, that we're only risking very small pieces while we can make a lot of money. So we have something that we call 3-to-1 reward risk ratio.
Yeah, I mean, I call it the risk-reward ratio, but you can call it. But here, so 3-to-1. Yeah, the reward risk ratio, or 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio. Doesn't really matter. The point is?
Yes, so, yeah, exactly. So if we're risking 1%, we're risking 1 piece, right? So let's say it's 1,000, just to make it easy, right? So we're losing 1,000 here, 1,000, the red one, that's good, okay, and then 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000.
Pretend that's red.
Pretend it's red. I'm colorblind, so it could be a reason.
He is actually.
A little bit. So 7,000. That's our losses, right? But the wins, well, we aim to win 3 times as much as we lose, which is, right, 3, 3, and 3, which equals 9,000. So in that sense, even though we had 7 losses, we still made 2,000. So our result is positive, even though we lost 7 out of 10 trades. So that is the secret.
And that's the secret. And what most people do is they do they put the same amount, they lose. So they've lost 7,000, okay, but all they've made is 111. They've only made 3,000. Well, that's a clear loss. But here, because, and this is the secret, there are only 2 golden rules of trading, right?
Absolutely.
Which is, cut your losses short. So we are going to lose only this amount. This could be 100, by the way. This could be 1,000. It depends on your bank, how much you have in the pot. But here we let our profits run. We don't let our losses run. They're 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. But we let 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and only at that stage, maybe we put a stop loss underneath. Hopefully it'll carry on. So one of these might even be 4,000, Dennis, right?
Absolutely.
5,000, 6,000. So this might not even be 9,000 in total. It might be a lot more. So if you're talking 7, 9, or 70 and 90, or 7,000, 9,000, that is the whole point. The whole point is the reason that Carola still made money. Was she a bit surprised, or?
She was very happy, and yes, a bit surprised.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And the most important part, she's a beginner. She's a beginner.
Oh yeah. Most people that come to us are total beginners.
Yeah.
But here's the thing, Dennis. Just imagine now, because if you think about it, if she keeps going and she keeps following the strategies, what do you think? Is she going to keep having this many losses? Never mind about the amount of money, but this many losses?
No, not at all.
Right? At some stage, she's going to have as many wins as losses. Then what do you think is going to happen if you let your gains run? What if at some stage, Dennis, this is going to happen, right? She's going to have more gains than losses. It could be the other way around. You might have 7 of these, right? 7 of these. Now 7 times 3,000, that's going to be 21,000. And then she's going to have maybe only a few losses, you know?
Absolutely.
Well, I tell you what.
And what many people don't realize is not only like when you practice, you realize that you become better, right? So it's not only the money that compounds, it's your mind that compounds as well. So you will become better and better and have more and more wins.
I love it. That is so true. You're going to get better and better and better when you practice and practice. What do I always say on the one-day event? I say that, it's like kissing. The first time that you kiss somebody, I don't know, were you any good, Dennis? Probably not, right?
Probably not, no.
I was pretty good the first time. No, probably not. But I do remember seeing stars. I saw stars, multicolored. I was like, whoa, she was a bit older. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I don't know what we're talking about. But the point is that, and age has nothing to do with stars. But is that you practice, and you get better and better and better, and therefore, this isn't going to happen where you have more losses than gains, because you're just going to get better. But even if you do, you can still make money. That's why our strategies are so powerful. I mean, this is based on the Buffalo strategy. So Carola is happy, and if she's happy,
we're happy.
We're happy.
Absolutely.
And but the others are happy because when they hear this, they go, oh, I can do this as well. And hopefully you got that same reaction, thinking that, wow, even if I'm not a very good trader, to start off with, because you're going to get better, kissing, then you are going to get better and you are going to make more money on a consistent basis. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Marcus.
Nice to see you as usual. Well explained. Good use of colors. And we will see you on the next video.